Collaboration. This is a really powerful ability that Skies has. So let's try it. You press plus, we do ask question, and again we're going to ask, what is your favorite animal? Where does it live? But we leave allow collaboration turned on. And let's take a look at the difference now. A student might answer, again, penguin. It lives in Antarctica. Search for this penguin. Oh, how cute. The other student might answer tiger. It lives in the savannah. Oh my gosh, savannah. Tiger. But now what you're going to notice is you can see everyone's cards. And the students can also see each other's cards. So everyone can see everyone else's contributions. So this is powerful. Of course, you can go through the responses in the same way. You could be telling students to elaborate and explain. And in addition, you can then also give students the task of leaving comments on each other's cards. For example, you might say something like, attach to a classmate's card, what would happen if that animal was moved to Los Angeles? And now Marie could say, hey, I'm going to go to Albert and said, in Los Angeles, the tiger would be fine, but it would need a grassy area to hide and find prey. And Albert might say to Marie, hey, penguin might have trouble. Penguin would be in Los Angeles. Penguin would be too warm. It might need to find a refrigerated truck and a swimming pool. A refrigerated truck and a swimming pool. And so this is sort of what can happen. You can have student responses, but then you can have students branching out all sorts of other things. Very often, teachers will make initial questions like the engage or the prior knowledge check or something that's more just getting students into a lesson, collaborative and fun. And then near the end, they would put assessment questions like, how is your animal best adapted to its climate? They would do that without collaboration. So this would be more of an assessment near the end. You can also have students work in groups. So you could say something like group 1, research deserts. Group 2, research rainforests, that sort of thing. And groups it's just like putting big sticky notes up everywhere, but now in the format that everyone can share. This is really good for group work. You can start to do jigsaw sort of activities. Finally, you can always start a card as, say, no collaboration, and then switch it to collaboration when you want everyone to see everyone else's responses and share. This gives everyone a chance to think of their ideas in a more original and creative way. If you do no collaboration, and there's one particular response you really like, you can always selectively make that public just by clicking on it. So now everyone can see Albert's, now everyone can see Marie. And conversely, you can also unpublicize a student's card by clicking on the blue thing to make it gray. Finally, if you ever see something that you're saying, hey, that's a little inappropriate, let me delete it, you can just press select. If you want to delete more than one, press select again, and just go ahead and press delete. Other applications, This is good for design critiques. You can do debates. You can have students post on one side and then students put rebuttals on the other. And collaborative stories. You could have students write stories and introduce conflicts to each other's stories. There's a lot of possibilities. It's very powerful, and we'd encourage you to try it out at some point.